Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Begin by searching with Google operators to find a blogger blog quickly. Use site, blogspot.com plus the person's full name and a clear keyword. Put the name and keyword in quotes to require exact matches. Add an URL, followed by a username or unique blog word to narrow results. Also try site blogger.com for blogger pages that use custom domains. Example search, site, blogspot.com Jane Doe photography to find relevant author pages and posts. If Google returns too many results, search the person's email in quotes to reveal linked posts. Enter the username in quotes with a URL, site, blogspot.com to match profile URLs. Look for an RSS or Atom feed by appending /feeds/posts/default or /Atom. XML to likely blog URLs. Use those feeds to confirm ownership and see recent posts. Substitute nicknames or known project names in the same searches to catch alternate blog. Also check blogger profiles and gravatar images that match the person's email address. Run a Google Images search with a distinctive photo file name or screenshot plus site, blogspot.com to find embedded images. Search social accounts and about pages for links that point to a blog. If you need ongoing tracking, set a Google alert for the person's name plus site, blogspot.com to notify you when new posts appear. Combine techniques to confirm the correct blog and avoid false matches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.